எது ஆஃபர் பாரு மம்மி எது ஆஃபர் சொல்றாங்கன்னு பார்த்துட்டு ஆஃபர்
அதெல்லாம் போட்டுடு ரக்ஷித். Hi all. So beautiful live. Hi Priyanka Ramesh ma'am. Welcome all. Chinna short live. You can select your pieces beautifully, relaxedly after this live also. No problem. These are the beautiful. Hi Pallavi ma'am. Hi Satish. Hi Priyanka Ramesh ma'am. Hi everyone. Hi Jayasudha ma'am. Hi Aishwarya Sendil. Hi Subiksha. So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது all beautiful, very simple, budget friendly jewelry where you can use it for all type of costumes. This is a beautiful single gemstone. Hi Anusha Shanmugam ma'am. This is a very pretty piece. I will show you. It's a very classy and stylish piece with gemstone. This is a very nice finishing it has got on the back side. With single white stone, it is usable for all the costumes ma. This is for 1050 rupees. For all your bookings you can contact to the customer care 7339588688. This is for 1050. This is the earpiece you will get for this. This is a very pretty pink color, reddish pink color, that is cherry color stone. Cherry color stone. And coming with a multicolor in this, you will get a beautiful pink and green color with white stone alternative with the bag adjustable rope. You will get it. Hi Rasali ma'am, I need all. Ellame adidul. Ayo, thank you Abhinaya. This is very pretty. You will get it with a pink stone like this with the white stone. You will get a beautiful neck set. You can gift your loved one for their birthdays. ஏன்னா நம்ம 1000 rupees இல்லாமல் gift வாங்குறதே இல்லை இன்னைக்கு. So this is all pretty pieces. You can gift your mom, your friends, anyone whoever loves jewelry. Jewelry love பண்ணாதவங்க யாருமே இருக்க மாட்டாங்க. So you can gift them very blindly. These are the very pretty. You can see the side finishing of the jewelry. It looks like a gold jewelry. And see the backside finishing also. It is all very prettily finished. For budget friendly, 1050 only. And coming with a pretty pearl. Pearl lovers, you can book it. See how pretty it is. See. எவ்வளோ அழகாக இருக்குது பாருங்க. You will get a oval shape pearl with the floral diamond finish, 7 stones with back adjustable chain. You can use it as a lengthy one also. It is very pretty. This is for 1250 rupees. 1250. Classy piece. You can book it. It is pearls. Hi Pallavi Bharadwaj ma'am. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும். You can see the beautiness of this jewelry. It's very nice with 7 stone diamond look with single pearls. See the back finishing. It looks like a gold jewelry with the adjustable back chain. This is for 1250. You will get a pretty earpiece for this. See. லைவ்ல ஏங்க 1250. I will check Sindhu ma'am. I will check. And coming with a cubic cut, nice blue color. You can see the prettiness in this platform. It is a very pretty blue color. It is stunning and dazzling. You can see such a pretty lovely piece. You will get with the square cubic cut, 7 stones with blue color stone. See. This is also for 1250 ma. 1250. Very very pretty and stylish piece. See, it's alluring, it's awesome. You can see the color, the beauty of this jewelry. You can match with your blue sari, black sari. Hi Sujata ma'am, any color of the sari. Very good piece. 1000. Hello Shika Gujar ma'am, Shika ma'am, very pretty with the adjustable back chain. 1250 rupees. Rakshit, இது ஓபன் பண்ணி கொடுங்க. Hi Rekha ma'am.
இதே மாதிரியே pearls
1250 ma'am. Annapurna ma'am 1250. டக்கன் கொடுக்கனா? நான் எடுத்துக்கிறேன் கொடு. தங்க நான் எடுத்துக்கிறேன் ப்ளீஸ். You can book it now. And I'm going to show you one more beautiful piece. This is the piece. So many people were asking for this black chain with pendant. This is something very pretty, very very classy piece. You will get it. See, this is for 800 rupees. 800 ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். You will get it with the 2 gemstone with the floral design, golden balls with the black chain ma. 800. This is the short length. 800 rupees. You can book it now immediately. So some pendant sets. Okay. கன்னிகா அக்கா ஒரு ரெண்டு பெண்டன்ட் செட் கொடுங்க. And coming with the beautiful piece. இதெல்லாம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you can see like this. See, very nice, very classy, traditional, beautiful Indo-Western style, like traditional mix, fusion style pendant with the pearl ma. With the pearl, budget friendly. This is for 1750. 1750. Please show that multicolor. இதுங்களா multicolor. This is a pretty 1750 with the pearls, bunch of pearls, ruby and emeralds with the pendant. You can see the back finishing, very pretty. 1750. You will get the matching earring for this. See, ரொம்ப அழகான earrings. You will get it. This is a Ganesha pendant, very pretty. 990 ma. 990 rupees Ganesha pendant. கன்னிகாக்கா கவர்ல இருந்து யாரை எடுத்து கொடுப்பா? See, I can't wear and show you ma'am. Just these are the product videos. You can see the beautiful Ganesha with the pearls, real gemstones, 2 side peacocks. 990. 990 rupees. Very pretty. 990 rupees with the beautiful Ganesha, 2 side peacocks. It will be beautifully engraved. You can match with any ball chains, beads customized, or you can use with your gold chains, anything. Very very pretty Ganesha. You can book it for 990. Coming with the dazzling collection, 490. 490. Which one, ma'am? Which one to show you? Simi Abhilash, ma'am. This is only pendant, 490 rupees. 490. This is a very classy pendant. You can match with your regular gold chain. This is a gold polish. You can see the back rings like this. இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். This is a pendant. You can use it for your buns also, hair buns. 2 in 1. This is a very pretty 490. This pendant is for 490 rupees. You want purple stone chain? Yeah. This is a chain. I'm going to show you the most beautiful piece. Classic piece. See, Ganapati Papa Moria. Such a pretty piece. Don't miss it. Very pretty. See the gemstone finishing near the Ganesha pendant. See, this is a very pretty Ganesha with 2 peacocks. You will get a wonderful gemstones. Up one is layered with the, see how beautifully it is designed. Oru kemp stone ku melu you can see the design. Oga nimisham adi stop cheyi cheppandava. This is an awesome piece. You will get a stunning, beautiful gemstone on 2 sides engraved. You can see the Ganesha is beautifully designed. Such a pretty Ganesha with the 2 peacocks. This is awesome. You will get with the matching earrings. This is for 1550. 1550. You will get a matching earrings also for this. See, இதுக்கு வந்து you will get a beautiful tremendous matching earrings. PP 1550. Same like pendant. You will get the earrings. ఇంగ పారుంగ, you will get the earrings. చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఇది వచ్చి చూస్తే మీకు కంప్లీట్ టెంపుల్ జ్యువెలరీ కలర్ అండి. మీకు వచ్చి చూస్తే పెండెంట్ స్టెడ్ ఇయరింగ్ స్టెడ్ వచ్చి చూస్తే సేమ్ సిమిలర్ ప్యాటర్న్. సో ఇట్ లుక్స్ లైక్ అ గోల్డ్ జ్యువెలరీ. చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఎక్సలెంట్ వన్. సి, ఈ గణేషతో ధోతి, దట్ ముగన్ ఇయర్స్ అండ్ లోటస్ ఇన్ ద హ్యాండ్స్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ డిజైన్డ్. 1550 అండి. It is given center stem. The quality is awesome. Brass metal. You will get classy pendant for this. 1550 rupees. 1550 rupees. You can use it with the back like ball chain, or you can customize with the beads. Anything you can use it. You will not get such amazing Ganesha pendants ever. Next one is a budget friendly 1350 rupees. Sunita Sharma ma'am, please call to the customer care 7339588688. Thank you Meenakshi ma'am. Nitya Narasimha ma'am, no ma'am, with earrings. This Ganesha pendant and earrings, everything together 1550. See, coming with a beautiful circle design, diamond finishing, 1350 rupees. This pendant 1350 rupees. You will get, ma'am, with, do we ship in across India? 100% ma'am, we ship across India and pan India shipping and international shipping available. See, this is the matching jhumka for this. This, there is a green color like that purple one you showed. I think no. See, this is a very pretty Lakshmi with golden balls. Complete jhumka is surrounded with Lakshmi nga. Avlu alaga irukum. Super duper piece. You will get it for 1350 rupees. 1350 rupees. So I showed you today 4 pendants. Nariya per pendants கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தீங்க. So this is the first pendant 990 without stud. This is for 490 without earrings. This is Ganapati. This is Lakshmi with the jhumkama. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed my live today. For more collections, tomorrow we will meet again with beautiful stunning collection. For all your shopping, you can contact to the customer care 7339588688. I will post these products very shortly in the Facebook. Okay, bye bye. Good night, sweet dreams. Stay tuned.